Hi everyone, I am Miss Lakshmi, working as an assistant professor in information technology at ELRC College for Women. In this presentation, we will see about the basic principles of data communication and networking. So first, we see about data communication. So, what is data communication? Data communication is the process of transferring digital information between a source and a receiver via form of transmission medium such as a wired cables. So, data communication is said to be local if communicating devices are in the same building or a similarly restricted geographical area. For a data communication to occur, the communicating devices must be part of a communication system made up of a combination of hardware and a software. So next, what is the data? So data is nothing but a collection of facts such as numbers, words, measurements, observations, or just a description of things. Generally, data are defined as information that is stored in digital form. Technically, data is a set of values of qualitative or a quantitative variables about one or more persons or objects, while a datum is a single value of a single variable. Next one is information. So information is a knowledge or facts learned especially about a certain subjects or events. So next, information is the summarization of a data. Technically, data are raw facts and figures that are processed into information such as summarizes and totals. But since information can also be the raw data for the next job or a person, the two terms cannot be precisely defined and both are used interchangeably. So next one is a communication. What is communication? Communication is simply the act of transferring information from one place, person or a group to another. So every communication involves one sender, a message and a recipient. The transition of a message from one sender to recipient can be affected by a huge range of things. These includes our emotions, the cultural situations, the medium used to communicate and even our location. So next we will see about the characteristics of data communication. The effectiveness of a data communication system depends on four fundamental characteristics. So the first one is delivery, next accuracy, and the third one is the timeliness, and the fourth one is a jitter. So first one, delivery. What is meant by a delivery? The system must deliver data to the correct destinations. So the next one is accuracy. The system must deliver the data accurately. The third one is timeliness. The system must deliver in a timely manner. Data delivered late or useless. So the final one is a jitter. Jitter refers to the variation in the packet arrival time. So next one, we will see about the components of data communication. A data communication system has 5 components, namely message, sender, receiver, transmission medium, protocol. So first one, message. What is meant by a message? The message is the information to be communicated. Popular form of informations include text, numbers, pictures, audios and videos. So the next one is sender. The sender is the device that sends the data message. It can be a computer, workstations, telephone handset, video camera and so on. The next one is receiver. The receiver is the device that receives the message. It can be a computer, workstation, telephone handset, television, and so on. And the next one is a transmission medium. The transmission medium is the physical path by which a message travels from sender to receiver. Some example of transmission medium includes twisted path wires, coaxial cable, fiber optic cables, and radio waves. And the final one is a protocol. A protocol is a set of rules that govern data communications. It represents an argument between the communicating devices. So some important videos in a YouTube that will be given in this slide. You can watch on that video also. So the next one is a network. A network is a collection of computers, servers, mainframes, network devices, peripherals, or other devices connected to one another to allow the sharing of data. An example of network is the internet, which connect millions of people all over the world. A network computer is a group of computers that use a set of common communication protocol over a digital interconnections for the purpose of sharing resources located on or provided by the network nodes. A computer network can be categorized by their size. A computer network is mainly of four types. The first one is a LAN, that means local area network. Second one, PAN, personal area network. Third one, MAN, metropolitan area network. And the final one is a WAN, wide area network. So what is meant by a LAN? Local area network is a group of computers connected to each other in a small area such as a building or office. LAN is used for connecting two or more peripheral computers through a communication medium such as a twisted pair, coaxial cable, etc. So it is less costly and provides higher security. The data is transferred at an extremely faster rate in local area network. So this is the pictorial representation of a LAN network. The next one is a PAN, personal area network. Is a network arranged within an individual person, typically within a range of 10 meters or 30 feet. Personal area network is used for connecting the computer device of a personal use is known as a PAN. This device that are used to develop the personal area network are laptop, mobile phones, media players, and PlayStations. So this picture represents the PAN network. And the next one, MAN, metropolitan area network, is a network that covers a large geographical area by interconnecting a different LAN to form a larger network. Government agencies use MAN to connect to the citizens and private industries. In MAN, various LANs are connected to each other through a telephone exchange lines. It has a higher range than a LAN. The most widely used protocol in a MAN are RS-232, frame relay, etc. So this picture is an example for MAN network. And the next one, WAN, wide area network, is a network that extends over a large geographical area such as states or countries. A wide area network is quite bigger network than a LAN. A wide area network is not limited to a single location, but it spans over a large geographical area through a telephone line, fiber optic cable, or a satellite link. The internet is one of the biggest WAN in the world. A wider area network is widely used in the field of a business, governments, and educations. So this picture represents WAN network. So next one is a protocol. A protocol is a standard set of rules that allow electronic devices to communicate with each other. So these rules include what type of a data may be transmitted, what commands are used to send and receive data, and how data transfer are confirmed. So network protocols are formal standards and policies made up of rules, procedures and formats that defines communications between two or more devices over a network. Network protocols conduct the actions, policies and affairs of a end-to-end process of timely, secure and managed data or network communication. The two important protocols are TCP/IP protocol and OSI model protocol. Thank you.